Stuti Shukla, you are watching Krishi Jagran. Here are the summary for the month. Bayer Crop Science and Agriculture Environmental Science arm of Bayer AG inaugurates Bayer Learning Center in the Cuttack district of Odisha. It aims to provide the best technology and best practices to farmer learning. Agastya Agro Limited enters into an agreement with the USA-based Primary Biology Innovation as a result of the BioAgri 2021 organized by BIPA. The collaboration will allow PBI to commercialize their product portfolios such as InnoAG, Start, Stigmo, and ProGlass. SES has partnered with the European Seed Association to establish a seed treatment facility certification and set dust reference values for several types of crops. Nestle Indonesia has signed a partnership with the International Rice Research Institute, which will provide technical expertise in the monitoring and production-related emissions. TELUS announces John Rain as a new president of TELUS Agriculture, a global leading agriculture technology company. TELUS Agriculture provides innovative connected technology solutions and leverages real-time data to optimize the food value chain. Dalmia Cement inquires the government for 2 million hectares of wasteland for the company to plant bamboo trees. Mahendra Singhi, managing director and CEO of the company, said the bamboo would be used as a replacement to the fossil fuel in the manufacture of cement. TVS Motor India's third largest two-wheeler maker is in talk with the clutch of global private equity investor to raise $300 to $500 million for its electric vehicle subsidiary at a valuation of $3.5 to $4 million. ICRISAT is helping smallholder and marginal farmers in Odisha through collaboration with the Odisha Livelihoods Mission to restore and improve livelihoods in 6 districts of the states. Syngenta India organizes Field Day on Red Gram Operation Pollinator Plot in Nagaur Taluka, Gulbarga district in Karnataka to ensure safe use practices for the farmer. Around 41 farmers have been trained on safe use, best agronomic practices and pollinator safety. Unnati Agri raises 60 rupees crore in a Series A funding round from InCoffin Investment Management, NAV Ventures and Oreos. According to the company, it will utilize the fresh capital to augment its tech infrastructure and increase its U-Store network. Indian AG tech platform Arya.ag has launched Buy Now Pay Later service for every buyer buying 150-200 tons of agriculture produce. It will apply to buyers on Arya.ag platform for purchase of grain, oilseeds and pulses. Kion Group receives the EcoVadis Gold status. Linde Material Handling the same medal offered still GmbH and Silver Award of Dematic and Kion Group. Kion Group is among the world leading suppliers of industrial truck and supply chain solutions. Our Food Farmer franchise has been inaugurated by local leaders and agri officers today in Jagdal district, Telangana. Our Food is a technology-driven agribusiness platform that is on mission to decentralize the food processing industry with an innovative farmer adoption and engagement supply chain platform across the country. Stellips Technologies has been presented with the Best Agri Startup in Digital Innovation at Agri-Food Empowering India Award for its effort in digitalizing the dairy sector in India. Crop protection startup Ascribe Bioscience raises a $2.5 million seed round co-led by the Yield Lab and Acre Venture partner. Impact-oriented investor Trailhead Capital and Pandrosa Ventures also participated in the financing. CII signed its 6th incubation agreement with Grameen Store recently at office premises at Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. Grameen Store is a rural-focused grocery distribution network and they are creating an ecosystem for rural entrepreneurs and SHGs to sell their product through the network directly to the customer. Agrology recently introduces the first predictive agriculture system that is an effective, affordable and easy to use way to predict and address a variety of critical farming challenges. Agrology patent system include affordable hyper-signal sensor that captures the full spectrum of agronomic data, machine learning, technology and actionable insight beyond Agrology mobile app. Farm Laws Repeal Bill has been passed on the first day of Parliament winter session. During this session, 36 bills are expected to be passed. The bill to cancel the 3 controversial farm laws that made farmer protest for a year was passed in record time in both houses. APIDA has suspended the accreditation of an organic certifying agency for a year while barring 4 other agencies from registering any new processor or exporter for organic product certification. New Holland Agriculture announces its partnership with II Rockelto Farm in Bologna, Italy to demonstrate sustainable farming practices through a circular economy model and a connected feed environment. Parle Products announces a hike in the prices of its popular products such as Parle G, Hide and Seek, and Crackjack. The reason being a substantial rise in the prices of raw materials such as sugar, wheat, and edible oils. For more updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.